Okay, coming in from the garage. This is the laundry room. The 3/4 bath. Mudroom. It's going to be the living room / golf room. Here's the kitchen. Screened porch. And then a deck out here, but you can't see it because of all the snow, with a pergola over it. Family room. It's the dining room. It's kind of dark in here. The vaulted ceilings. Front door. Back to the golf / living / whatever room. Next we'll do upstairs.